Ever wondered how to securely store your cryptocurrencies? Let's start by defining cryptocurrencies. They're a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. They exist only in the digital world, with no physical form like coins or notes. Now, how do we safely store these digital assets? Enter the world of crypto wallets. A crypto wallet is essentially your personal interface to the blockchain, the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies. Just like your physical wallet holds your cash and cards, a crypto wallet holds your digital currencies. However, rather than physically storing your cryptocurrencies, these wallets store the digital keys used to access your public Bitcoin address and sign transactions. These wallets come in various forms. You've got software wallets that live on your computer or mobile device, and hardware wallets that store your keys offline on a physical device. So, crypto wallets are the digital safe for your cryptocurrencies. Now that you know what a crypto wallet is, you're probably wondering, how does it work? Like a well-orchestrated symphony, it all comes down to the harmonious interplay of two critical components, the public key and the private key. Think of the public key as your cryptocurrency postal address. It's a unique identifier that others can use to send you cryptocurrencies. It's out in the open like an email address or a house number, and that's perfectly okay. Now the private key, that's an entirely different story. This is your secret key, your golden ticket to access and manage the cryptocurrencies in your wallet. It's like the most intricate and unique password ever created, and only you should know it. If someone else gets their hands on your private key, it's like handing them the keys to your bank vault. Remember, your private key is your crypto wallet's secret password. Keep it safe. Here are the key points you need to remember about crypto wallets. The private key is the backbone of your crypto wallet. It's your personal password to your digital assets, so keep it secure, keep it hidden, and never share it. Now there's a smorgasbord of crypto wallets to choose from. You've got your online wallets, great for accessibility, but a bit vulnerable. Mobile wallets are convenient and always at your fingertips, while desktop wallets offer a balance between security and ease of use. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are the Fort Knox of crypto wallets, offering top-notch security at the expense of some user-friendliness. And let's not forget paper wallets, offline and safe, but a tad old school. Each type has its pros and cons, and your choice should align with your needs and risk tolerance. Remember, the crypto world is your oyster, but it's also a wild west. Choosing the right crypto wallet depends on your needs, but whatever you choose, keep your private keys secure. That's your golden rule for crypto wallets.